If your MoneyLion credit builder payment failed, the issue is usually tied to your funding account, payment method, or a temporary processing problem rather than the credit builder account itself. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause and the steps that usually resolve the problem. Start by checking the account you're using for the payment. Make sure there are enough available funds to cover the full payment amount. Even if your balance looks high enough, pending transactions or holds can reduce your available balance and cause the payment to fail. Next, verify that the linked bank account or debit card is still active. If your bank issued a replacement card or you recently changed bank accounts, update your payment information inside the MoneyLion app before trying again. If you're paying with a debit card, confirm that the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information are all correct. Incorrect card details can cause the payment request to be declined. Now check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the payment process before it finishes. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reopen the app, and try the payment again. If the app recently received an update, make sure you're using the latest version available in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Restart the app after updating to make sure any recent fixes are applied. If the payment continues to fail, sign out of your MoneyLion account, sign back in, and attempt the payment again. This refreshes your account session and can resolve temporary syncing issues. You should also contact your bank if the payment is being declined immediately. Banks sometimes block transactions because of fraud prevention rules, spending limits, or temporary security restrictions. They can tell you whether the payment request reached them and why it was rejected. If your bank confirms the payment should have gone through, contact MoneyLion support. Share the date of the payment attempt, the payment method you used, and any error message shown in the app. That information helps the support team investigate the failed transaction more quickly. To recap, confirm you have enough available funds, verify your payment method, check your internet connection, update the app, sign back into your account, and contact your bank or MoneyLion support if the payment still won't process. Your next step is to review the funding account linked to your credit builder payment, and make sure all of the payment details are current before trying again. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other MoneyLion troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.